So, good morning everyone. First of all, the journey to DICT from Pune has been full of challenges. It has been amazing. It has been such a great experience to learn at Royal. And no matter what the challenge, Royal has been the constant. Dheeraj sir has always been there for us. He's a very busy man, but he's always made time, no matter 8 o'clock in the morning or 10 o'clock at night. No matter what questions my mother has had, he's always been present and always reassured us that everything is going to be okay. I'd like to thank all of my teachers, Tejas sir, Shabana ma'am, Swagata ma'am, Madhusudan sir, and so many more teachers without whom I wouldn't have been able to be where I am today. And sir asked me why I was so focused and मैं bored क्यों नहीं होती हूँ. So in my bachelor's degree in Pune, I used to bunk classes. मैं सुडोकू solve करती थी mobile पे class में. So, but at Royal, I think the only difference that I felt was my teachers and the support that I was getting. And it makes a huge difference when someone on the other side recognizes your potential. So, always be around people who value you and who know your potential, because when they believe in you, you can do anything in your life. So that's why I always choose the people around you very wisely, and Royal has been a great place to learn, and I feel exceptionally lucky that my parents have invested so much in me and have always been there so that I could get the best education here at Royal. I've never left Pune in my life, so the next 2 years are going to be very new for me, and not just that, the 1 month I spend here in Ahmedabad and peak summer season also. So to do that, I am so grateful to Dheeraj sir, to all my teachers, and most importantly my family, both my Nani and my sister in Pune also, and my parents who have done everything in their capacity to help me get here.
What's your first reaction? Like you dreamt कि मुझे धीरूभाई अंबानी में जाना है, और पहला दिन जब आप धीरूभाई अंबानी में चले गए, what did you feel?
I think अभी तक मुझे यकीन नहीं होता, मैं वहाँ जाती हूँ and I see the amazing, students also there with me are all so focused, and the faculty which I did not have in Pune. Everything that I missed out in my bachelor's degree, I have the chance to now do in my master's. So it was, shocking. I didn't know students की इतनी respect होती है colleges में.
So Zena, I think so. How was that experience in Narsimon में भी आपका selection हो गया? फिर कहाँ confusion था और कैसे फिर ऐसा लगा कि नहीं DICT ही जाना है?
So DICT was definitely the first priority. For 3 full months actually we spent working hard on that. But overall, I think DICT, the research based and faculty there, I preferred that more. And I visited the other colleges also, the campus life and everything. After all of the pros and cons, देखने के बाद DICT was my final choice.
Subscribe Dheeraj Pujara YouTube channel for more updates, or you can call on 9825782290 to clear your doubts.